To troubleshoot text formatting errors in NotebookLM, start by opening the notebook where the issue occurs and identifying exactly what is wrong with the text. Common formatting problems include missing line breaks, incorrect spacing, broken bullet points, misplaced headings, or unexpected symbols appearing in notes and imported content. Once you've identified the issue, refresh the NotebookLM page. Sometimes formatting problems are simply display glitches that can be resolved by reloading the notebook. After refreshing, check whether the text now appears correctly. If the problematic content was copied from another source, such as a website, PDF, or word processor, hidden formatting codes may be causing the issue. A good solution is to paste the text into a plain text editor first. This strips away hidden formatting and leaves only the raw text. After that, copy the clean text and paste it back into Notebook. If the formatting issue comes from an uploaded source, open the original document and inspect it carefully. Sometimes the source file already contains formatting inconsistencies that NotebookLM reproduces during processing. If you find errors in the original document, correct them and upload a fresh version of the file. For notes that were created or saved within NotebookLM, review the content and manually adjust headings, spacing, and organization if necessary. This can help improve readability and correct minor formatting issues. Browser-related problems can also affect how text is displayed. Try using a supported browser such as Google Chrome and make sure it is up to date. If the issue persists, clear your browser cache and reload Notebook. Another useful troubleshooting step is to open the same notebook on a different browser or device. If the formatting appears correctly elsewhere, the issue is likely related to your local browser settings rather than the notebook itself. If none of these steps resolve the problem, consider using NotebookLM's feedback or support options to report the issue. And that's how you troubleshoot text formatting errors in NotebookLM. Check the source, remove hidden formatting, verify uploaded documents, and test across browsers to keep your notes clean and readable.